Okay, children, this one, right, is actually taken from the Methodist Girls School 2020 exam paper CA1. So I'm just going to go through section C.
But MTS is a secondary school.
Methodist Girls School is a primary school. Okay, so look at the first one. Okay, I'm going to go through. Okay, let me just do a coloring here. I use blue better. Okay, it says here, Manali had 3,490 stickers. She bought another 46 stickers. She then gave her sister 507 stickers. Then she placed all her remaining stickers into 6 albums equally. How many stickers did she paste on each album? So you know the total she has is not only 3,419 because she buy another 46. So the total will be 3,419 plus 46, which is actually 3,465. And what happens to these 3,465 stickers? She's going to give her sister 507. So that means she'll have another remaining amount of stickers, which we'll have to take 3,4, not 36. Give me a while. 3,465 minus 507. So the remaining amount of remaining number of stickers will be 2,958. And this amount of stickers remaining will be pasted into 6 albums equally. So that means you need to divide by 6. So to find how much is in each album. So 2,958 divided by 6. Your answer will be 493 stickers. So please write down 493 stickers. Always finalize your answer. Okay. Anyone didn't get this correct? Did you get it correct? Yes, everyone? Okay, so I'm going to move on to question 16. Charlotte and Mavis, everyone all correct? Yes? Andrea correct? Ethan correct?
I cannot check because I cannot really see. I didn't receive the paper. Give me a second. Can you give me a second?
Okay, never mind. I record, right? I write then I record. So when you got your paper, please look at the review again and check your answer with my solutions. Okay? Okay, going on to question 16.
I'm not done.
Okay, moving on to question 16. Okay, question 16. It says here, Mr. Tay had 198 more red pens than blue pens in his shop. After selling 12 red pens, he has 3 times as many red pens as blue pens. So how many more red pens than blue pens did Mr. Tay have in the end? And B, how many blue pens are there? So this kind of question, draw model. It says here, Mr. Tay had 198 more red than blue. So red, blue, red got 198 more. So I'm going to draw red longer than blue by 198. So this is a difference of 198. Okay. Then it says that after selling 12 red pens, so red pen 12 sell only very little, so it's here, sell away. This is 12 sold. Okay. He will have 3 times as many red as blue. I'm going to use another color. 3 times as many red. So the red will be 3 units. This 1 unit. So you can really see over here, there's a difference of 2 units, right? So question is asking me, how many more red pens than blue pens did Mr. Tay have in the end? So after selling away 12, the red decreased until this part. Blue, nothing happens, is this part. So I'm looking at this part here. I'm looking at this one. Okay, so how to find this? A will just be 198 minus 12. Your answer is 186 more red pens. Okay, in the end, so it's this part. But B, how many blue pens are there? So since you know that in the end there is 186 more red than blue, this is actually a value for 2 units. 2 units is 186. So you look for 1 unit, 186 divided by 2, 93. But I want to find the number of blue pens at first. Can you see blue pens at first is just 1 unit? So my answer is 93 blue pens. Understand, children? All right, looking at question 17. Okay, a shopkeeper has some flour in a sack. The mass of the flour is between 25 and 35 kg. This is your number range, right? Maybe there's a number range. When he packs the flour into bags of 3 kg each, he will not have any flour left. But when he packs the flour into bags of 4 kg each, he will have 1 kg left. Find the amount of flour in the sack. So I know that my number range, the amount of flour is between 25 kg to 35 kg. Okay, so I need to do the listing method like what Maybe said just now. So you know that if he packs into bags of 3 means times 3, he will not have any left. So no need to write anything at the bottom. But if he packs into bags of 4, means you times 4, he will have 1 kg left, means you must plus 1. Okay, between 25 to 35, it means you have to start from 27, then 30, 33. You cannot go to 36 because it's more than 35. So multiples of 4, the first one that drops between 25 to 35, I can use 24 because when you plus 1, it's 25. So 24, 28, 32, 36 cannot because it's more than 35. So 24 plus 1, 25. 28 plus 1, 29. 32 plus 1, 33. So you can see that the amount or the total common total is actually 33 kg. Maybe you get this correct? Very good. Andrea? Good. Stacy? All right. Get this correct, yeah? Okay, I'm moving on to the last question. Okay, this is time, which is pretty easy. Okay, Gopal spent 1 hour 30 minutes on his art homework and 45 minutes on his music homework. He ended his homework at 13:35. This is 24 hours. Okay, A is asking you how long did Gopal take to complete both his art and music homework. You need to give your answer in hours and minutes. So very simple. You just need to add it up at the duration of 1 hour 30 plus 45. So A is 1 hour 30 minutes plus 45 minutes. You just add first 1 hour, just 1 hour. 30 plus 45, 75 minutes. So you know that 1 hour 75 minutes is actually over 1 hour here. So you group 1 hour over, it becomes 2 hours. 1 hour is 30 minutes, right? So 1 hour is 60 minutes, sorry. So I take 60 out of 75. I'm left with 15 minutes. So the answer for A is 2 hour 15 minutes. Sorry, I'm using Wacom, so my handwriting is a little bit horrible. Okay. So after this, right, it says, about what time did Gopal start doing his homework? Use the 24-hour clock. So it says here he ended his homework at 13:35, which means that 13:35 is the time that he finished doing. I have to calculate 2 hours 15 minutes before to find out what time he started his homework. So I go back 2 hours. 13 minus 2 hours is actually 11:35. But don't forget you have another 15 minutes to calculate. Another 15 minutes backward. So 35 minutes minus 15 minutes. Sorry, 35 minus 15, your answer is 20 minutes. So it's 11:20. So please write down in 24 hours, it's just 1120. There's no AM and there's no PM. Understand? Right? So this is the last, this is the end of the paper already. Okay? So we are done with the section C of the exam paper.